Hi there, welcome back. In this short lecture, we will be trying to delete an user account and trying to recover that user account. So, if you want to delete any of the user account or any of the object, just navigate to wherever that account is there. In my case, I'm trying to demonstrate this for user accounts. So, I can click on all users. So, I have a demo user account. I can simply select it just like this, and I should be able to perform an action by delete. Or you could simply click on the object and click here to delete. So this is gonna delete the account immediately. So if I just do a quick refresh, the account has been deleted. Just in case if you want to recover the deleted object, you can always click on deleted users. In this case, it's a user. So simply click on this, and either you could restore by clicking on this, or you could delete permanently. So the objects that are comes under deleted users, for example, in this case, it will be permanently deleted automatically after 30 days of the time. So I can simply restore just to demonstrate this. Now the user account will be moved from here to all users, and I should be able to see here the demo user account. This is how you should be able to delete and restore the object. Same thing goes applicable for all groups also. So if you have a group, it will be shown here. And once you delete it, it comes under deleted groups, and you could, restore back this specific group. That's how it's going to work. Thank you for watching this. I'll catch you in the next lecture.